What is a gravitational field? To understand this, we need to ask, where does this gravitational force come from? This force actually comes from placing a mass in a gravitational field. And where does this field come from? The other mass produces it. Let's do a quick, simple recall. Remember the apple that fell from the tree onto Newton's head? Well, we can always say that the apple was falling towards the earth. Yup, and from that, we can deduce that the gravitational force is an attractive force. One way to visualize the gravitational field in a region of space is to use field lines. Since we already established that the gravitational force is attractive in nature, what do you think the direction of the field lines will be like? If you said that they were always directed towards the mass, you are right. Since the gravitational field lines of the Earth are directed towards the Earth, the apple falls towards the Earth. Now, you might be wondering, what about the magnitude of the gravitational field? How can lines represent how large or how small the gravitational field is? The magnitude of the gravitational field is proportional to the number of lines per unit area through a surface perpendicular to the lines, or gravitational flux. For the purpose of A-levels, we define gravitational field strength to be the force per unit mass on a small point mass when it is placed in a region with gravitational field. Why do we place emphasis on small? Well, if you were to place a large mass in a gravitational field, the field produced by the large mass would distort the gravitational field that it is in, and as attraction occurs, this field will not be static, causing a lot of problems in force analysis.